Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Isuzu Trooper, a rugged yet modern SUV built for adventure. Combining off-road capability with modern tech and comfort, this Trooper is set to impress. Let's dive into the details. The 2025 Isuzu Trooper is powered by a 3.0L turbocharged diesel engine producing 250 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, ensuring robust performance for both highways and rugged terrain. For those looking for an eco-friendly alternative, a plug-in hybrid version delivers 300 horsepower while offering improved fuel efficiency. Both engine options come with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a capable 4WD system, making the Trooper a serious contender in the off-road SUV category. At the front, the Trooper boasts a bold and boxy design, featuring a large blacked-out grille with the Isuzu logo proudly displayed. The LED headlights are sharp and rectangular, providing excellent visibility in all conditions. The bumper is designed for durability, incorporating skid plates and high ground clearance, ensuring protection during off-road adventures. From the side, the Trooper retains its classic upright stance, enhancing its rugged appeal. The flared wheel arches house 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, giving it an aggressive and capable look. Side glass is large for maximum visibility, and blacked-out A-pillars add a modern touch. The flush door handles blend seamlessly into the design while maintaining durability. At the rear, the Trooper features vertical LED taillights and a rear-mounted spare tire, emphasizing its adventurous spirit. The tailgate is split opening, providing easy access to the cargo area, while a sturdy rear bumper ensures durability. Roof rails are standard, making it easy to mount extra cargo for long road trips. Inside, the 2025 Isuzu Trooper offers a functional yet refined cabin. The dashboard is robust but modern, featuring soft touch materials and metallic accents. A 12.3-inch LCD infotainment system sits at the center, offering smartphone connectivity, navigation, and off-road driving data. The side doors are designed for practicality, with durable grab handles and storage compartments. The gear selector is a modern rotary dial, providing a clean and intuitive layout. The illuminated start-stop button is conveniently placed for easy access. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and includes controls for audio, cruise, and off-road driving modes. The front seats are well padded and offer heating and ventilation options, making them comfortable for long journeys. In the rear, the Trooper provides generous seating space with a foldable table between the two rear seats, adding extra convenience for passengers. The third-row seating option ensures ample room for up to 7 passengers. Despite its rugged nature, the Trooper offers excellent comfort for both city and off-road drives. Cargo space is another strong suit, with a spacious trunk that expands significantly when the rear seats are folded. Whether you're carrying camping gear or daily essentials, the Trooper's cargo capacity is more than sufficient. The 2025 Isuzu Trooper starts at an estimated $40,000 for the base model, with the hybrid variant priced around $50,000. Considering its rugged capabilities, advanced technology, and spacious interior, it's a fantastic value for those seeking a tough yet comfortable SUV. The 2025 Isuzu Trooper is the ultimate combination of off-road capability, modern tech, and everyday practicality, making it a solid choice for adventure seekers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car insights from Road Ready Review.